back. We are Seeking Vegas Sunrise, and this is our first time staying at the Aria SkySuites. Aria SkySuites has a separate entrance that's accessible by a locked gate. Once you arrive, you're surrounded by beautiful artwork as you head into the lounge area that's specifically for SkySuites guests. As you enter the lounge, there's a comfortable seating area. There's free snacks that are provided throughout the day. Complimentary juice, sodas, and water, as well as an espresso machine that makes all kinds of drinks: lattes, espressos, Americanos. The check-in area is absolutely beautiful, with lots of plants and stylish decor. As you enter the room, there's a storage area with 2 closets, just like in the Aria basic room, 2 luggage racks, drawers, bathrobes, iron. And then as you enter the bathroom, you can see the walk-in shower with a large soaking tub. Separate toilet area. A very sleepy man. And then as you enter the room, you have a desk, phone, room service menu, ice bucket, coffee maker with a coffee kit, waters and snacks, a bottle of tequila that comes in at $135, a mini bar. The average cost of the non-alcoholic beverages is about $13. Snacks. And then a very comfortable bed. You have your tablet with all of your room controls, outlets and USBs on both sides. You're able to control the lights in the room and shut the curtains. And then again, some more artwork, and then a beautiful view of the Strip. You have the MGM and Park, Waldorf, the Veer Towers, and Planet Hollywood. Overall, this was a wonderful stay, and we love the SkySuites.